Saving money and stretching your budget with EZ Battery Reconditioning. Below you will find the important facts and figures I feel every consumer should know surrounding Tom Ericsson's EZ Battery Reconditioning program and complete guide for taking necessary precautions. Saving money and stretching your budget with EZ Battery Reconditioning. Below you will find the important facts and figures I feel every consumer should know surrounding Tom Ericsson's EZ Battery Reconditioning program and complete guide for taking necessary precautions. Click the first link below to get new battery reconditioning for a discounted price now from the official website. What is EZ Battery Reconditioning Program? EZ Battery Reconditioning PDF download free official website. EZ Battery Reconditioning is a 10 to 20 minute method of bringing new life into the batteries you already own. Using simple tools such as a multimeter, you will be able to test your batteries, revive those that are underperforming, and nearly double the lifespan one gets out of the average car, golf cart or medical home battery. This method, developed by Tom Ericsson, has helped keep thousands of cars and other devices running and kept their battery pollutants out of the landfill. Click the first link below to get new battery reconditioning for a discounted price now from the official website. Let's break it down. Many cars, golf carts, and other devices run on so-called wet cell, lead-acid cell batteries. This means that typically a plate of lead is immersed in sulfuric acid, resulting in a reaction that creates electricity. Over time, corrosive processes that are natural to the battery can result in decreased performance and lead to decreased voltage. This decreased voltage can lead many to believe their battery is dead and needs to be replaced. The resulting trip for a new battery can be a painful one, as the costs and work for a replacement can be a huge endeavor. Click the first link below to get new battery reconditioning for a discounted price now from the official website. How EZ Battery Reconditioning Program works. The EZ Battery Reconditioning Program outlines simple common-sense steps to rejuvenating your battery. To start, one must safely remove their battery from the device and disconnect all power to the battery. Gloves and eye protection are a must, as well as making sure the environment you are working in is secure and dry. The first step towards reconditioning a battery is cleaning the contacts, or terminals, on the battery. These positive and negative terminals over the years will build up residue that needs to be cleaned with steel wool or other abrasive brushes in order to maintain a good contact point. Without good contact, a voltage can be lacking or inconsistent, with the result being decreased power in starting or running your car. Okay, so I have done this, what's the next step? For the next step, a cheap multimeter, sometimes called a voltmeter, and a hydrometer are required. A hydrometer is a device used for measuring the density of liquids. Due to lead-acid batteries containing fluid, it's important to check the fluid density of the cell to ensure that the cell is performing correctly. A multimeter is a device used to check voltage readings from the battery. After undergoing the steps outlined in the ebook, you will check the voltage to see if the battery is performing correctly. Both the multimeter and hydrometer can be obtained cheaply from online or home improvement stores. Click the first link below to get new battery reconditioning for a discounted price now from the official website. The first step is checking the terminals to make sure the output is consistent with what your battery should read. Using the EZ Battery Reconditioning Guide, you will be able to then check each cell's electrolyte level with a hydrometer to make sure each cell is performing adequately. It's important to note at this point any concerns to each individual cell, such as bulging and cracking, and the guide helpfully outlines what to look for. Safety is a must when measuring the cells, so always wear your personal protective gear mentioned above during this process. See more details. So what happens next? To really understand the EZ Battery Reconditioning course, you must understand that your car's alternator cannot fully recharge. How EZ Battery Reconditioning works. Car battery, due to not having enough voltage to reverse sulfation on the battery's plates. What is sulfation? Think back to above when we discussed how a lead-acid battery works. Over time, the reaction between lead and sulfuric acid leads to sulfur builds up on the lead plates inside the battery cells. This in turn leads to decreased electricity output from the battery. So how does one remove the sulfation from the lead-acid cells? There have been a few methods described throughout the years. One that is popular amongst owners of multiple batteries is called equalization. This involves using a high voltage with low amplitude current to cause the battery to become rejuvenated over time, with proper safety precautions being observed. In the ebook, Tom Erickson outlines his method for fully reconditioning a battery in this way. Click the first link below to get new battery reconditioning for a discounted price now from the official website. Another popular method for reconditioning a battery as mentioned in the EZ Battery Reconditioning course is a chemical additive. These chemical additives cause the sulfate in the battery chamber to bind to the compound and be removed from the lead. The last method outlined in the ebook is one using a high-frequency device to remove the sulfate over time. The ebook discusses each method in detail, as well as the pros and cons. Safety concerns are also brought up, so those feeling wary of undertaking such a task can rest assured. The results are also discussed and what is happening inside the battery in detail for those who would like the extra insight. Don't know that much about electricity? Not to worry. The reconditioning ebook has a simple, step-by-step method for performing all of the necessary tests and functions in order to successfully rejuvenate your battery. With a quick start approach and an easy-to-follow format, the book successfully minimizes the learning curve that is typical with any electrical applications. Those methods that were reserved for electricians and knowledgeable insiders are now accessible to the common person. Click the first link below to get new battery reconditioning for a discounted price now from the official website. Refund Policy. Backed by a 60-day, no questions asked, full 100% money-back guarantee. Offers secure online payment. Yes, payments and refunds are handled by ClickBank, which employs encryption technologies using Secure Sockets Layer (SSL) from trusted vendors like VeriSign and Thought to encrypt sensitive data such as your financial information. Overall impressions: for those wanting to save money on expensive cars, golf cart, or medical device batteries, this book is a must-read. With each battery costing a minimum of $100 or more, there's no doubt that the EZ Battery Reconditioning program will help stretch your pocketbook further. Click the first link below to get new battery reconditioning for a discounted price now from the official website. But can every battery be saved? The answer in the e-book is a truthful no. Over time, many batteries can degenerate to the point where they are no longer usable and need to be recycled. However, with the program, you can help maximize the batteries that you own to reach their full potential. Many people have posted videos and articles showing batteries that have sat for more than 10 years being brought back to life, and those results are nothing to laugh at. But how easy was it to read the book? Many consumers who have read through its chapters have commented on how simple and down-to-earth the e-book is written. The methodology is laid out in layman's terms, with no degree in electrical engineering required. It's just simple reading, with the result being cost savings in your pocket. Official website. Click the first link below to get new battery reconditioning for a discounted price now from the official website. One last thing I've seen in regards to this is that sometimes people will try to inflate the value of the program on their own site to make it appear like they are giving you a discount. For example, they'll say something like, EZ Battery Reconditioning Program is normally $157, but buy through my link for $47, a savings of 75%. Just another lie you should watch out for. The price will always be $47 unless Tom Erickson decides to change it himself. If he does, I'll be sure to let everyone know. I hope that helps, and please stay safe out there. My final recommendation is to pick new battery reconditioning course from its official website in the first link below. Follow it up and then come back here again to let us know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful content.